Hi everyone, today we'll quickly show you how to install adjustable sliding rack shelf. For adjustable rack shelf, you'll be getting one adjustable rack shelf, 8 hexagon bracket screws, and 8 cage nuts. This is the adjustable rack shelf, which is very similar to the fixed rack shelf, except that you have the side railings on the side here, and it's basically a heavier loading of up to 90 kilograms. Next, as this rack shelf is adjustable, we can loosen these brackets. The long ones can be secured in the rear of the rack, while the short brackets go to the front. After sliding in the rack shelf into the brackets, you can tighten the nuts, 4 in the front and 4 in the back, and have it secured into place. And that completes our installation video. For additional information, please feel free to go to the site below here and check out for more information. That's all for now, and happy installing. Bye!